Alright, hello, what's up? I'm trying to make a quick video about a knife that I brought from Ravenforge back on Black Friday. It is what they call a skinning knife. Yeah, here's the blade. And the original knife is made from one single piece of steel because it's repurposed from a rail spike. And the entire handle and the blade consist of just bare steel, and that's all. It's a really simple design and robust, to be honest. So the original handle is twisted. I hope you can see this through the leather, the twisting pattern on the handle, to give you a little bit more grip, but it will still be terrible for wet conditions because that's what metal hilts are notorious for. So what I did to it is that I added a piece of this burgundy scrap leather onto the handle to make it more comfortable, and also it looks better overall, at least in my opinion. Yeah, so the piece of leather is stitched in the back by some paracord that I have, and then I just stitched them kind of like how you do with your shoelaces. And for the excess amount of paracord, I did a loop here at the base of the handle near the pommel, just on top of it, so it can provide a little bit more cushioning to your hand when you're holding it like this. And what this lanyard, this loop here is good for is that you can put your thumb over it and twist your hand over the rope, grab onto the handle and hold it like this. So it's going to be a more secure grip when you're trying to do these slashing, cutting large motions. So the other piece of leather that I've added on is right here at the base of the handle when it touches the blade. Why I'm adding this is because this piece of leather is not wide enough to cover this area. So I need something additional to cover it. So I decided to wrap it around like this so you can put your thumb on the back of the handle, yeah, to aid thrusting. This kind of grip is what Schola Gladiatoria Mattiston will call a saber grip, because that's what they do with sabers. And also on the front of it, this leather here can also make less of your finger touching directly onto the metal, so it's gonna be a little bit more comfortable when you're holding it up here.